Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. Everything seems normal at first, but something impossible has happened. Earth has stopped spinning, not slowed down, not changed direction, completely stopped. It sounds harmless. After all, we never feel Earth moving. It feels perfectly still. Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours. This rotation powers our day and night cycle. But imagine everything suddenly stopping. In a single instant, Earth stops spinning, but everything on the surface keeps moving. The atmosphere keeps racing eastward. The oceans keep moving too. Every person still carries momentum. And that's when the disaster begins. That's why Earth is slightly wider at the equator. But without rotation, that bulge disappears. Water begins moving away from the equator and starts rushing toward the poles. Coastlines begin changing forever. Some places lose the sea completely. Other places disappear underwater. Entire regions are flooded. The world map becomes unrecognizable. Earth no longer looks familiar. Then comes another massive problem. The sun keeps shining, but Earth no longer rotates beneath it. One side faces endless daylight. The other side faces endless darkness. A single day now lasts an entire year. 6 months of sunlight. 6 months of night. Temperatures begin to rise. And the world starts to overheat. Rivers begin disappearing. Lakes slowly evaporate. Plants struggle to survive. Entire ecosystems begin collapsing. Meanwhile, the dark side keeps freezing. Temperatures plunge lower and lower. Ice spreads across the land. Life becomes harder everywhere. But one region offers hope. A thin habitable zone emerges. Air rushes from the hot side to the cold side. The pressure difference becomes enormous. Powerful winds become permanent. Storms grow larger than countries. The skies become unpredictable. Survival becomes more difficult. Humanity searches for solutions. New shelters are constructed. Communities adapt to the new world. But Earth's weather is forever changed. Earth's rotation affects the weather. Scientists call it the Coriolis effect. It helps shape global wind patterns. It influences ocean currents too. Without rotation, everything changes. Familiar weather systems disappear. New climate zones emerge. Rain falls in different places. Some regions become wetter. Others become permanently dry. But there is another hidden danger. Earth's magnetic shield protects us. It blocks harmful particles from space. Without strong protection, more radiation could reach Earth. Technology would face new challenges. Satellites could be affected. Communication becomes unreliable. Humanity adapts once again. New inventions help people survive. Civilization begins transforming. Surprisingly, gravity would still exist, the force pulling us toward Earth would remain. The planet may stop spinning, but it would still have mass. Nobody would suddenly float into space. People could still walk normally. Buildings would remain on the ground. Mountains would stand where they are. Near the equator, something interesting happens, people would weigh slightly more. The difference would be small, but scientists could measure it. By this point, survival would be humanity's main goal, communities would adapt to the new reality. New technologies would be developed. New ways of living would emerge. Entire societies would be rebuilt. Cities would be designed for a different world. People would learn to survive in extreme conditions. Humanity would keep moving forward. But Earth would never be the same again. The familiar world we know would be gone. A new planet would take its place. Thankfully, this scenario is almost impossible, Stopping Earth would require unimaginable energy, The planet stores an enormous amount of rotational energy. Far more than most people realize. That energy keeps Earth spinning every second. It will continue spinning for billions of years. And that invisible spin is one of the reasons life on Earth is possible.